So take here. First thing is title. First thing is title here, and here I am giving some welcome to CSS. Okay, and now here I am giving some para. Okay, I give some kind of New York. So how can I link the CSS with the link parameter? I can able to link the CSS. So I am going to link the CSS file here. Okay. So here the thing is, I am going to take one more, that is underscore 2. So here what I want to do, I want to take one more file, style underscore 2 dot CSS. Okay. So here this I am taking one para here, as well as first I will take a div, and I am going to teach like combinators in this class, combinators in CSS. Okay, and one more thing is like I have here some usual li coffee, and also I have one more thing here, that is like li sub t. Okay, so the thing is, if I want to apply the style for div and para, right? If I want to apply the style for this div, and suppose latest thing, para is not here, para is below. Okay. So here there is a plus one plus thing. So this plus in selector is used to select element and directly after another specific element. So for example, if I am having this div, I want to give some background color, for this latest thing, for this para. Okay, so I can able to give that this it will check like what is the first consecutive para, and it will go and display, and it will go and apply the style for it. For example, if I want to give a style for this para, but I don't know where this para is, but I am aware like after this div I will get this para, after this div I will get this para. So at that point of time, so if I want to go for this, right, I can go for div, and I am going to give here some plus b, and I'm going to give some background color, some kind of white smoke or something that will be mingled, but let me go for some light blue. Okay, so now if I am just selecting this, right, okay, this is like where it is located. Okay, CSS class 2. Yeah. Class underscore CSS2. Okay, let me go for this and now we check. So after this div, wherever I am finding this para, that consecutive element will be styled with whatever the property we are giving. Okay, whatever the property we are giving here. So is this for only this one? Suppose if I am passing one more thing here. Okay, so here I am giving some kind of um, uh, some cool drink or cool drink and Pepsi, and let us think I give one para inside. Okay, inside para. Okay, so let us think like this. So is this only for applicable for this one? No, it will be applicable for this one also. Even whatever the divs are there, that consecutively, if I am finding para tag, it will go and apply that style. For example, here I am giving some Delhi and okay, 1 second. This is underscore test. 1 second. Not this one. CSS underscore class 2. So let me check now. Okay. So whatever the div it is finding, multiple cases also, it will go and apply the style. Are you people here?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. I saw some disconnection in my side. That's why I was having some doubt. Okay. And so let us think for I mean minus. It will select all the elements that are siblings of a specific element. So for example, if I am having a para and if I am having a para and I am giving some div minus p and if I am finding that the next one also. So for example, if I am taking here some, this is some already this example. So this is for minus selector. So in this case, okay, this is for a minus selector, and in this case I am giving here a div, and I am giving inside some OL ordered list, and I am giving here some Pepsi, sorry, LI Pepsi, and I am giving, okay. So one more thing, it is like Coke. Okay, so here after this div, if I want to give, so let me comment this one because it is applied for everything. Okay, so in this case, if I want to give a para, so let me give a para here, and yeah, I am giving some kind of Mumbai, and also I am giving some some other things here, some code or something, or some caption. Okay, some caption. I am giving here some cities. Okay, and if I am finding this one here, we'll be finding like this. Okay. CSS class 2, but how I am getting, okay, this is like Pepsi cookies here. That's what I'm getting. Okay, so if I am giving one more consecutive para here, so for example, it is like Chennai. Okay, so now the style here I am going to apply is, so if it is plus, it is applied only for one consecutive element of the, so it is applied for only one consecutive element of the para. Means after div, it will find a para and it will apply the style. For example, let me change this one to minus. Okay. Yeah. And check. Let us check now. Some problem here. 1 second. It's not minus. It is negation. Okay. So now you can find like whatever the paras are there available. Okay. After this div, they are all applied with the style background color light blue. So here if I am going to give one more para also, it is applied. If I am giving one more para also here, so for example I am taking one more here, checking also that particular siblings are applied. So let me take out this and check now for Hyderabad. Okay. So that is also applied. So how many ever are there? They are all applied if we are giving the, so if we are giving the div hyphen negation p, that particular border, that color background color is applied for all the elements. Okay, so this is one, and here I will give for div, and I will comment this one. So we having something in mind. Okay, so this is about negation selector. Okay, and but one, I think people are aware about DUP already, because if I am giving like a div p, and so if we are taking here div p, and I am giving some background color as some light coral. Okay, so para, but here this is not applied within after this is applied only if the div is having some para. Let us think, this div is inside, it is having some para, and that is for some cool drinks. So in this case only the whatever there inside that one is applied with div p. Okay, this okay, I think you understood, you got this point. This is called descendant selector. Okay, within the form, within the div, wherever it is there. For example, if you put that this put if you put this inside a section also, if you put this para inside a section also, it don't mind actually. It will go and fetch wherever the thing is there, and it will fetch the it will apply the style for that para. Okay, so inside the div, wherever this para is there, it will go and apply the style. Okay, that's one of the one of the combinator. And one more thing we have, that is like greater than. See, this greater than, it will select all the elements that are children of specific element. For example, um, so if I am giving one, suppose, for example, if I am giving within a div one or two paras. See, let me put this one here, and let me check now. Okay, let me take okay, okay. This is inside, right? So I want to take a para here, and I'm considering this like books, and annuals. Okay, and I have one more para here outside, that is like some months. So here in this case, whatever the paras are there available within the div, they are all applied in the case of div p. Okay, suppose I don't want that one. I want uh, div, and here I want a greater than and p. I want to apply what are direct siblings. For example, this div is having direct siblings as p and p. This is not a direct one because it is having a section here, and it is having one more para here. Okay, one more para here. Okay, so now I want to background, and I am giving some alias blue. Okay, so here, see, this alias blue is applied only for the direct siblings. I mean, only for the direct children of div. This is means whatever the here after this div, whatever the direct children of this para and para, only they are applied directly for. They are applied directly for the style. Okay, that's the advantage of greater. So we can avoid, like in earlier case we saw like div p, which is wherever the para is there, all the styles are applied wherever the para inside the div. But we don't want to apply for the grandchildren. We have to apply for only the children of the div. So in that case, we can able to apply with greater than symbol. Okay, greater than symbol, and yeah, this is one case, and okay, now let me take an pseudo classes. So I will be what about this pseudo class. So pseudo classes are nothing but we can able to see after, suppose for example, after clicking, if you are finding in hyperlinks in an websites, After clicking that link, it will go for a different color. Suppose it will go for a brown color after clicking that link. So before you are clicking, it will be in some red color or something. Okay. So after clicking on that, it will turn to some other color, some brown color. Means you have already visited that site. Okay. So such kind of scenario, how can we do in with the CSS? So let us see that kind of example now. Pseudo classes, see here. Okay. So let me take an anchor link. So how to start an anchor link with
A.
a tag? Okay. So now if I want to apply, if I want to open an website, right? I want to go here href. Through this href attribute, I can able to give the, https colon dot google.com. Okay. So here, the what is my target? Suppose if I am giving target equal to blank, what does this mean? Underscore blank. What does this mean? It will go and apply.
Loaded in same pages.
So if it is self, it is same page. If it is blank,
This is another page.
it will go for other,
Another.
other page.
Next tab.
Next tab, right? So so here I am going to give here Google, and I am giving here some anchor. So let us first see here. Okay, and I want to put this in a div or something. Okay, so here I am passing this anchor tag. So now what I want to do is I want to give the style for this link at very first point. So let me go for the style here, and I am giving here some a colon link. Okay, so here I am going to give here color, and I am giving here some red. So let me check now. Okay, and yeah, it's not yet activated. One second. Should get activate. Did we already click it or what? One second, we'll go for other one. So for example, green visited. Let us go for visited case. So if the person is already visited this one, it should get turned to some green color, some light green color. Okay. So, and one more thing here, if I hover on it, hover means if I am moving my cursor on top of it. Okay. So it should go for an color, some kind of gray. I'm not painting gray. I'm having. So let me first. I already visited this one. That's why it is showing us yellow. Sorry, green. So if I am hovering on top of it, it is showing in gray. Okay. Okay. It's already visited. That's why it is showing as green. So at a very first initial point, it will show like red. So if I try to cache this one, let me inspect, and if I try to empty cache and hard reload, no, it's not getting reloaded. Yeah. Okay, I think in that red scenario, I think if you are trying, it's already stored in my browser. That's why I was not able to get. Okay. Now I am always seeing the visited. I mean this visited scenario. Okay, this red scenario I was not able to see because I have already visited. Let me take some other if I want brown, blurry wood, something that I give. Let me check now if it is applied. No, it's not applied. But what I can show you is this one. Anchor link. First one is like color, and suppose if I went in on top of it, it will be like a gray color. Okay, that's what we can able to see here, find here. Okay, you can try this one. This is a small example of pseudo classes. I mean, visited and also hover and and visited hover and also uh, and link. Okay, and we can also make this active. If active, and I can able to give here some color. I am giving some red. I think so. See, it is active in red. If you see, if you click on top of it, means you are activating it. You are activating means it will become red, and it will open in a different uh, tab. Okay, these are the different things actually. So, and so let us think you want to give a first child kind of scenario. So, I mean, if you are having a div and you had this div, and I mean, sorry, 1 second. You were having some paras in here, and in these paras, if you want to give some, give some kind of cities, for example, like Mumbai, and other one is like Jamshedpur. Two things I gave, but I want the first para to be having some different color, different font color. Okay, so at that point of time, we are having para colon first child, and I can able to give color, and I am giving here something else here, chart triggers, and now see I can able to give here Mumbai, since it is first child, it is applied. Okay, so for example, if I am applying some kind of red, let us think, and I check, I think it is applied for the other one also, since it is consecutive uh, para here, Mumbai. Cool drinks, here it is, this one, this is the first one. Okay, since it is like for this div, this is the first child section. If you take a section, so then it will be applied as an separate separate division, not division, separate page. If you are taking a section, then it is applied for, it will applies for the section para also. See, if it is not applied for this div, okay, but if you're taking a section, so it will apply for the it will take a page as a new page, and it will it part of a new page, and whatever the para inside it will apply for that also. Okay, and and if I a part of this okay, one more thing it is there, that is like a last child. So last child, if I want to give for last child, so let me give p colon some last child, and I am giving here some color, and I am giving here some kind of brown or something. So let me check now. Okay, so should come for this humans, since it is last child in the section, and other one is like means if I don't want to take this section because this is confusing. So let me take this one here. This one from the bottom. Okay, from the bottom, this here I am having last child, but this is there within the para.
సెకండ్ డివ్ కి అప్లై అవ్వట్లేదు కదా సార్?
ఏంటది?
హలో
హలో, యా
సార్, ఇప్పుడు లాస్ట్ చైల్డ్ అంటే ఇప్పుడు పి లాస్ట్ హైదరాబాద్ ఉంది కదా సార్, దానికి అప్లై అవ్వట్లేదుగా.
అదే అది ఇవన్నీ ఓవర్ రైడ్ అవుతున్నాయి, ఇవన్నీ దాన్ని ఓవర్ రైడ్ చేస్తుంది అన్నమాట.
ఓకే,
సో లెట్ మీ టేక్ అవుట్ ఆఫ్ దిస్, అంటే ఇవన్నీ తీసేసి క్లియర్గా అర్థం. సో పైన ఉన్నా అందరు లేదా మీ టేక్ నో. చూడండి, ఇప్పుడు జంషెడ్పూర్ అప్లై అయింది, చూసారా? సో ఓకే, సో ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ మీరు ఇక్కడ ఇంకోటి 2-3 తీసుకున్నారు అనుకోండి, అండ్ హియర్ నేను లాస్ట్లో సమ్ ఢిల్లీ అని లైక్, సో అండ్ ఆల్సో సమ్ బెంగళూరు, మైసూర్ అండి. సో నో ఎక్స్పెక్టేషన్ ప్రకారం ఢిల్లీకి అప్లై అవ్వాలి. సో అట్లా లాస్ట్ చైల్డ్ అప్లై అవుతుంది. సో ఇవి సుడో క్లాసెస్. సో టుడే క్లాసు ఇక్కడ దాకా స్టాప్.